Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to edit yellow tone filter on your image using Lightroom Mobile. There are some example photos before and after using this filter. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump to the tutorial. First go to Light. Bring the exposure plus 0.09. Bring the highlights minus 100. Shadows plus 48. Whites plus 31. Blacks plus 80. Go to curve. Follow these settings. And go to color. Bring the vibrance plus 100. Go to color mix. First go to red color and bring the hue plus 5, saturation minus 14. Next go to orange. Bring the hue plus 29, saturation minus 21, luminance plus 11. Go to yellow. Bring the hue minus 61. Saturation plus 31. Luminance plus 24. Next go to green. Bring the hue minus 100. Saturation plus 100. Luminance plus 5. Go to sky blue. Bring the hue minus 100. Saturation minus 100. Luminance minus 35. Next go to blue. Bring the hue minus 42. Saturation minus 59. Luminance minus 22. Go to purple. Bring the hue minus 47. Saturation minus 47. Next go to pink. Bring the hue plus 100. Saturation minus 59. Luminance plus 21. And done. Next go to effects. Bring the dehaze plus 23. Now go to details. Sharpening 10. Masking 97. Noise reduction 22. And done. Now your pic is ready to upload. Now let's try to copy this preset and pass to another picture. Copy settings and paste it. If you like this preset, you can also download this preset from the description. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe iSnap for more photography tutorial. See you next time. Have a great day.